Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of M? Now read with me, hooray! The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. This for monkey, clap and swing with me. This for meal, yum yum, time to eat. This for moon, it shines so bright and neat. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds, hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Aftab Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.